This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequencies of AM radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. First, here are the new headlines.
Cambodian Prime Minister សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោហ៊ុនសែន marks 36 years in office. Minister of Education, new academic year has nearly 4 million students. And Ministry of Commerce develops trade strategy to maximize free trade agreement.
Today marks the 36th anniversary of Samdech Akek-Moha Senapati Techo Hun Sen holding the post of Prime Minister. January 14, 2021 is the 36th anniversary of being in office of Prime Minister Samdech Techo Hun Sen, January 14, 1985, January 14, 2021. At that time, he was the youngest Prime Minister in the world. Up to now, Samdech Techo Hun Sen is the Prime Minister who gains the most love and support from people and can maintain his post the longest in the world. Read a message posted on the Premier's official Facebook page this morning. For the past 36 years, Cambodia has gone through countless obstacles, but the Cambodian smart and experienced leader has led the country toward development and progress in all areas with a good image on the international stage until now, it added. On this auspicious occasion, it underlined Cambodians across the country would like to wish the Prime Minister good health to continue leading Cambodia toward greater prosperity. By Agent Cambodia Press.
The Minister of Education, Youth and Sports, Hong Chunaron, said that the new academic year 2020-2021 has nearly 4 million students, of which 3.5 million are kindergarten and general education students at both public and private school establishments, and 49% are female students. In higher education, both public and private, there are about 210,000 students, of whom about 46% are women. His Excellency Minister of Education said at the opening of the new academic took place on January 11, 2021 at Kampong Cham Special Education High School, Kampong Cham Province. His Excellency Minister Hong Chunaron also said that currently Cambodia has about 18,000 kindergartens and general education institutions, both public and private. There are 3,000 community kindergartens, 13,500 public general education institutions, and 1,500 private educational institutions. His Excellency Minister also pointed out that in order to ensure a better education in the context of COVID-19, the ministry has issued guidelines on the implementation of curricular and study schedules for kindergartens, community kindergartens, primary schools, and public secondary schools for the school year 2020-2021, focusing on the preparation of students in the classroom, the distribution of curricular and lessons, and the implementation of the curriculum. His Excellency Minister added that in order to ensure the effective and safe operation of public educational institutions in the context of COVID-19, as well as to participate in the prevention and control of the spread of epidemic during the school year and the run of the 2020-2021 school year, the ministry has issued guidelines on the implementation of educational safety measures in the school year 2020-2021 for public general education institutions as well.
On Monday morning, Under Secretary of State of the Ministry of Commerce, His Excellency Pain Sovijit chaired the sixth meeting to review progress of the development of a trade strategy to maximize the benefits of a free trade agreement (FTA). He said that based on the recommendation, His Excellency Pan So-sak instructed the working group to create a matrix with 50 items, including 20 new products, growing 20 products, and 10 mature products by studying the technical barriers, tariff barriers, preferential tariffs that China provides to Cambodia to maximize export to China. The Under-Secretary of State requested the Secretariat team to conduct further research by expanding the research of goods from 4-digit 8S code to 6-digit or 8-digit 8S code and recommend specific products. The FTA Secretariat works with the Department of Policy and Market Development to select items for the FACSIT and identify potential export-boosting products in line with government trade policies. The meeting agreed on 3 points, including add SWOT analysis in the FACSIT as a basic for policy recommendation on each item, and to set the FACSIT from 2 to 3 pages, agreed on the contents of the trade strategy report to maximize the benefit of the free trade agreement by incorporating the visions and objectives into introduction and supplementary annex, and create a matrix list of 50 items according to the recommendation of His Excellency Pan So-sak, Minister of Commerce, and the above 3 agreed points will be put on the agenda in the next meeting.
This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequency of AM Radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Our English transmission now comes to a close, and please stay tuned our French transmission in the next program. And thank you for your listening, and goodbye.